Hi everyone! In this video, we'll control servo movement by using the ESP8266 module and servo module. Here we directly connect the ESP8266 port on the Arduino driver board. Pay attention not to connect inversely. Toggle the switch on the board to 0 when uploading the code. After the code upload is completed, toggle to 1 and press the reset button. In the program, include the servo library file, define the servo variable, define the servo port, control the servo to move to 0, set the baud rate for serial port as 11115200, set it to mode 3, change the Wi-Fi account and password for the ESP8266, restart the ESP8266, set as multiple connection mode. Set a timeout. In the loop function, obtain the serial information, convert into degree, and send the info to the servo. Use the Net Configuration Assistant for the TCP/IP client part. Select TCP client for protocol. Type in the server's IP address 192.168.4.1, 333 as the servo port. Click Connect. Type in a number between 0 and 180, and the servo will move accordingly. So that's all for this video. Thanks.